In this video, you will learn how to log into Progress Book to access the Virtual Learning Academy courses and assignments. To log into the system, you need to sign in through the Bulldog portal on our website. Over on the menu bar to the left, you will click on Bulldog Portal and then click on Bulldog Resources. This will take you to a screen where you need to sign in with ADFS. The next screen requires you to enter your computer username along with your password. Student passwords are BC plus their student ID. Once you type this in, click Sign In. This will take you to your single sign-on screen with all of your apps. You will want to look for the Student Progress Book app. Inside this app is where you will find all of the VLA content and assignments. Once inside Progress Book, you will notice it opens to the Planner page. The Planner page shows all of the courses your child is enrolled in. To find the VLA content, you will need to go to the gray box to the left and look for the Activities tab. Click on the Activities tab to view all the VLA assignments. You will notice courses that have assignments currently due. In this example, you will see assignments for Algebra 2 and Microbiology. Assignments are listed underneath each course, along with the open dates and due dates for each assignment. To the right is some additional information for each class. An S means the assignment has been started. P means the assignment has been partially completed. You can look at assignments listed by course, but you can also look at assignments due by date by clicking on the Date tab to the right. Additional ways that you can look at content within the Activities tab, you can look to see what assignments have been submitted. There are no assignments at this time submitted, and also assignments have been graded. So that is how you access content within Progress Book for the Virtual Learning Academy. As a reminder, all Virtual Learning Academy students are expected to log into VLA each day and work on assignments and have completed by the due dates.